You gotta taste it.
Since I'm pregnant, I'm gonna eat it. That's my excuse for everything.
Yeah. What do you think? Pretty good?
Really good.
Be free!
Well, that was underwhelming.
Come on.
Okay, turkey gang. Cutting time. Not that cutting time. That'll
Are
be.
we gonna pull them out here, or are we gonna do it in there?
I would like to keep them in here because Fighter is gonna freak.
Okay. Well,
So,
here, let me.
why don't you
do
come
want me
on
to
in?
come in?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Get
We
the
need to
big
figure
guy
out where
first.
we're standing.
Oh man, he's heavy.
Yeah, they're eating my shoe.
Hi there, folks. I'm Sean the Modern Yeoman, and I'd like to welcome you back to a Work With Me Wednesday episode of the Modern Yeoman, where there's no music, no fancy editing. It's just you guys and me hanging out and getting some stuff done. Today's kind of a fun day because we have to trim the turkey's feathers, put up the turkey roosting bar, and let the turkeys free so that they can mingle with the chickens. May not be the craziest day on the Yosted, but for those turkeys, it's a pretty important moment in their lives. So let's get to it.
And then where do I clip?
So starting like right there.
Right there?
Like right, see where those feathers in? Yep. You got it.
Okay.
You,
Like right
yep,
here?
Exactly.
And just hold him. Yep. Okay, bud.
It's okay. Boy, he's strong. I should have done this a little while back.
This. They were littler.
Little guys should be easy. And geez, you're tougher than the big guys. Okay. Good job. One left. This little one, the smallest one. Good job, you guys are done.
Woohoo!
Over the winter, I kind of forgot that we have a back pasture. We have several back pastures. You have to kind of walk through these woods here and you'll reach, I don't know, how many acres is it back there, Holly?
Are you talking about our entire property with your
The back
parents?
pastures.
I mean, I'd say that's at least half, so at least 5.
Maybe 5 or 6 acres back there. But Holly and I were just cutting the turkey feathers and we heard some strange noises coming from the back pasture. So we're gonna go check it out. Let's go see what we can find. Okay, so here's the back pastures. The dad just mowed today, and they're looking really good. Now let's see if we can find the source of the strange noise. I see somebody. Hey there. We heard a strange noise. Were you making a strange noise back here, Dad?
I'm kind of embarrassed to say that that's what I do.
You make
Back here.
strange noises?
Come back here and make strange noises.
Didn't Dad do a great job of cleaning this up?
It looks amazing.
He gave the back pastures a haircut,
Yeah.
and they look really
The
good.
mower?
Yeah, but the turtle is still alive, he said.
Oh,
good.
that's good. The plan today is to use these brackets to hold up this 2x4 as a roosting bar for whichever bird wants to take it, whether it's chicken or turkeys, which the turkeys will be released today as soon as we put this up. We clipped their wings yesterday, and that went pretty well. I got a little cut from it, but
They're getting big.
they're getting huge, man. The biggest one kind of gouged me. I wasn't wearing gloves, it's just silly of me. We will release them as soon as we get this roosting bar up. I opted for the open-ended bracket so we could remove this roosting bar whenever we need to. That was actually Holly's idea. There
Thanks
she
for the
is.
credit.
Thanks for the credit.
So you want it, what, roughly about
There.
here-ish?
I'll put the first one here. And like I was telling you earlier, Dad, I don't know if we should put one bracket on this side since these are side goggling. One bracket on this side and one bracket on the other side. Yeah,
Well,
I think that's the way to go. wanna get the span a bit, Holly?
Only if the angle of the bracket will allow for that.
So one right there,
Yeah, I guess as
and
long
then
as
one right.
Yeah, as long it might have to be, you know, kind of.
So I'm gonna put one up, and I can take it down very easily.
Tell us what side goggling means and where you
Side
learned it.
goggling is a term I heard on a YouTube video,
It's an Appalachian term.
but I don't know if I've actually heard it among the locals. But apparently it's an Appalachian term for cattywampus, which is another strange term. So what does cattywampus mean? Just out of kilter?
And where did that come from?
Yeah, so out of kilter and something that isn't plumb, isn't straight, something that's slightly off in some regard. I think it's cattywampus, side goggling.
I think we're the only ones that I've heard use that.
Well, I'm
term.
gonna bring it in.
My mom has always said cattywampus her whole life, and
Right.
therefore I always said cattywampus. But we're bringing side goggling back.
So, like right there-ish. Would you hold that for me? Now, this might be able to twist like that.
Yeah, I mean, how often are you gonna need to remove?
Not
these?
often. Oh wait, yeah.
Do you wanna?
Just taking this out and putting it back in. That's easy. That's fine.
Can you do it one more time for the camera?
For the camera, look at your YouTube instincts, lady.
You gotta flex while you're doing it.
Yeah. So it comes out pretty easy. Okay, turkey gang, the moment you've been waiting for.
And they have been waiting. Be free!
Well, that was underwhelming.
Come on. Yes.
Doors open, guys. Come on
I don't know
out.
what to do.
It's like an elephant with a stake in the ground. Doesn't know it could just walk away.
Yeah.
Food. It's like the dog that got a hold of the bumper of a car.
Here we go.
Be
One
free.
small step for Turkey Lucky.
Now let's see what happens.
Well, the men have to. The
Will you
ladies
hold
went
this down?
first.
I'm gonna get something to prop.
Oh, fighters. Ooh. Sean, can you come over here? Fighters awful close to me. Oh, she's eating my shoe.
All right, I just gotta get something to prop this with.
Oh. Oh. Oh, fighter's not too happy.
Buddy, what do you think? Well, the other birds just want to get in. Oh, and that's our chance to lock Fighter up.
I'm hoping they won't get the urge to jump the fence. We did trim their wings, so they shouldn't be able to fly.
Fighter's just asserting dominance in their old coop.
Yeah.
That seems to be, this is my playground now.
Spider, what do you think, bud?
Lock them together.
You look like a real turkey, my friend.
The other one doing it too?
Yeah, they're both kind of doing it. They're sticking their tits. I think he's threatened by me. So I'll leave him alone. All right, what do you got here, Holly?
We have a ripe one.
A ripe what?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So this ripe strawberry is from the berry, which, as you can see, is a little hairy
We
at
need
the
to
moment.
weed it.
The Harrier berry.
The hairia. Good one, Dad.
That's a dad joke.
Yeah, so needless to say, the strawberries are still kicking out fruit. You gotta taste it.
Since I'm pregnant, I'm gonna eat it. That's my excuse for everything.
Yeah, I know. What do you think? Pretty good?
Really good.
Pretty good yo berry.
Yo know it. Almost.
It looks like there's several that are ready to go.
Well, no, that's not ready. These
one's
need
not
like
ready.
a couple more days.
So what are these back here? That whole kind of line.
This is mint.
Oh, mint. Okay.
And it's
That just goes
invasive.
crazy.
I need to pull some of it out. It's
Yeah, it
invading.
goes crazy.
Those are raspberries.
Those look like they're doing really
Yeah,
the
and
ones
then
growing on the trellis.
yep,
Yeah.
and then there's blackberries over there too. So-
All right, yo, folks, thanks for hanging out with us. It looks like the turkeys are doing okay hanging out with the chickens. Could be a lot worse, a lot more carnage, and it doesn't seem to be that bad. So we're going to keep an eye on them. We're going to continue to observe how they interact with the chicken crew, but so far it seems to be okay. And until we see you guys again next time, remember, as always, slowly, slowly.
And then there's ones that are really sweet and yummy. They were really near the.
Okay.
I saw a few more back there yesterday of the little air ones.
These guys.